Financial math, day one.
What feelings or emotions come to mind when you think about taxes?
I have no idea.
I don't even know how to file taxes, so terrified.
Mortgage,
Very overwhelmed. I could probably figure it out, but I don't know anything.
student loans.
I feel stressed.
It is like very confusing, that world.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how confident are you to enter the adult finance world?
1,
A 2.
2.
2.
3.
Do you think that's going to change this year?
Absolutely.
End of the year financial math.
We learned a lot about stuff that's applicable to us, like student loans.
Compound interest, like being able to even just put in $50 a month.
A 401k. At first I had no idea what that even was, and now I feel like, I want to put as much money as I can into that. This class has really helped me be interested in saving. I really want to open a high yield savings account.
At the beginning of the year, I had no clue what to do with like a credit card. After taking this course, I know more than most girls my age, so I feel prepared.
It teaches us to be independent and confident in ourselves and what we know about the real world.
The world of finance, women are very underrepresented, and I feel like the earlier that girls can learn about these things, so they can open up their own credit card account, buy a house under their name, I feel like all of that is so important.
1 to 10, how confident are you to enter the adult finance world?
A 7. About a 7.
An 8.
A solid 8.
9.5.
The fact that I can now sit and talk with people that are older with me and be able to give my own insight is just such a great feeling, and I just feel really ready for what's to come.